Hey everyone, and welcome back. The 360-degree action camera space has been a battlefield lately, and it's getting even more intense. DJI just came out swinging with the new Osmo 360, and Insta360 immediately fired back with a limited edition X5 and a bunch of new software updates. But while they've been trading punches, one company has been patiently waiting in the wings, preparing its secret weapon. I'm talking about GoPro. The new Max 2 is on the horizon. And based on the latest leaks, they haven't just been waiting. They've been building a camera that could completely change the game. Watch till the end to get new updates. For years, the biggest headache for every action camera user has been overheating. You're in the middle of an epic shot, and the camera just shuts down. It's the ultimate momentum killer. But with the Max 2, GoPro seems to have finally solved this problem. Leaks from reputable sources like Igor Bogdanov show a cooling solution that's totally revolutionary. We're talking about a multi-layered passive system built right into the camera. The exterior isn't just for looks. It's designed with a ribbed pattern to act as a heat sink, pulling heat away from the internals. And inside, there are apparently two separate heat sinks dedicated to the processor and the image sensor. This isn't just an incremental fix. It's a complete architectural redesign that could finally allow the Max 2 to unlock some truly insane performance specs. So what kind of performance are we talking about? Well, the most exciting rumor is that this advanced cooling system will enable a mind-blowing 8K resolution at a silky smooth 60 frames per second. Think about that for a second. That's a frame rate that would make the competition's 8K 30 FPS footage look choppy by comparison. It's an insane upgrade that would give creators incredible freedom to reframe shots with unparalleled sharpness and fluidity. And as a direct shot at its rival, the Max 2 is also said to feature replaceable lenses. Unlike the Osmo 360, which requires a costly repair if you scratch a lens, the Max 2 is rumored to have a twist-and-go system that lets you swap out a damaged lens in the field. This is a huge win for durability and practicality. It's clear that GoPro has been listening to its community and meticulously crafting a camera that addresses the two biggest pain points in the 360-degree space: overheating and fragile lenses. The Max 2 isn't just another action camera. It's a full-on reset for the category. The wait is almost over, and it looks like it will have been worth it.